Guys, we're making skillet queso dip coming up. All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we are making skillet queso dip. All right, now everybody's got their tailgates, everybody's got their parties for the big games that are coming on every weekend. Actually, it seems like every day there's football on, and God bless America for that. All right, so this is a simple, easy to do queso dip. We're doing it on the skillet, we're doing it on the stove. We're gonna finish it up in the oven with the broiler setting, just to kind of crisp up and brown up the top. And then it's a bag of chips, a couple beers, and we're good to go. All right. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, hey, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can get all the good stuff that we're doing here. And we do a lot of good stuff. All right. So I'm gonna get you over on the stove. I'm gonna show you how we make this bad boy. Should be a nice, quick, easy video. So we'll get you on your way to the big game. All right, come on. All right, guys, we're gonna be frying this chorizo up in here. What I'm gonna do is get it cooked all the way through, but I want the flavors and the grease to be in the bottom of the skillet before I put the queso in there. All right, so I'm gonna fry this chorizo up nice and good all the way through, get it nice and crispy brown, and then what we'll do is put this pan aside. We'll make our queso dip and pour the queso dip on top of this part of the queso. Pour the queso dip on part of this part of the skillet, and that way all the flavors on the bottom kind of marry together, and then we'll have the chorizo for the top of it too. All right, so come on back. All right, guys, we're going to make a roux real quickly. Got about a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of flour. Just trying to make it even parts. So we're gonna cook the flour down just for about a minute. Make sure you get all the white clumps out of the way. And then we'll add some milk to it. We're adding about 2 cups of milk. It'll reduce it down a little bit as we cook it. Once it starts kind of thickening up, we're gonna add our cheese to it. Give it about 1 minute or so. All right, guys, we're thickening up in here, so we're gonna add our cheese. We're gonna put about a solid cup of pepper jack cheese that's been shredded up. All right. And then we're gonna add another solid cup, big handful worth of the 4 cheese Mexican blend. All right. And we'll get this all melty, ooey gooey. All right. And then we're gonna reheat our skillet up. You know, the skillet that we cooked all the chorizo in. We're gonna reheat that up. Then we're gonna pour this into it, cook it down a bit, and then get those flavors kind of incorporated, and then get it in the oven under the broiler and get it heated up and melted it on top. All right, guys, we got our skillet ready, got our cheese ready, our queso dip, as it were. All right, we're just gonna pour it on top. Woo! Instant heat. I'll turn this one off. All right, we're gonna let it just kind of bubble up in there a little bit. Get it crustified on the bottom. Don't worry if some of that oil comes through from the bottom. We wanted to incorporate it a little bit. And this is what's gonna give the nice caramelized cheese on the side. All right, guys, while this is still kind of heating through, we're gonna add just another layer on top of this Mexican cheese blend. All right, just something to get it so it browns up nice and crispy on top. We're gonna spoon our, I had it kind of draining already since there's plenty of oil in there. So we're just gonna add our chorizo right in the middle. Okay. I'm gonna add our jalapenos nice and neatly around. Jalapenos. All right, how's that for attractive? All right, guys, so we're gonna get this in the broiler right quick. All right, come on back. All right, guys, so you can see how it's getting nice and crispy in there. The top layer of cheese is browning up real nice. You know that's like molten lava in there. All right, guys, I've had a chance to let this slightly cool down. It's not bubbling anymore, but this looks amazing. All right, so I got some nice deli chips right here. Just gonna give me a nice little spoonful here. Get a little of that chorizo in there. You know it's hot. That's a winner right there, boys and girls. No, hold on. I get another bite there. I gotta go in for a second bite. Spicy, savory, salty. You know, the chips are salty. Salt in the chorizo. The garlicky, I put some minced garlic in there with the chorizo when I cooked it up. A little spicy with the jalapeno in there. It's not bad. All right, guys, this is great for any of the football games you're watching on any day of the week. It really didn't take much time at all, especially if you buy the pre-shredded cheese, which I know a lot of people don't like to do, but I had it, I used it. I actually hand shredded the pepper jack, but I shredded the rest of the shredded cheese from the Mexican blend. But anyway, this is good stuff, boys and girls. I'm enjoying it. All right, guys, that's it. I appreciate you stopping by. I hope your team wins, and that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.